We'll be working on the R Airways team, a new airline which is growing in popularity, and they are determined to expand their data capabilities and become more data-driven. The front-end developers have finished a complete rewrite of their website and have provided us their completed application for us to serve as part of our API. It has been decided that dashboards and metrics, which should be accessed by employees only, will be available on the same website, but of course behind an internal login. A lot of R Airways' statistical models and visualizations are already being created in R, and hence writing their new API in R makes a lot of sense, for performance and maintenance reasons. Throughout the course, we'll be designing a range of endpoints for the airline, dependent on their communicated needs. You can view the completed project on the site linked in the class resources. Remember, the front-end code is provided to us, but all the underlying data communication and logic will be written by you. Okay, let's get this course started.